maybe not.
Just be glad I didn't poison it.
Melissa, there's a spider on the ceiling right over your head.
Oh, Jim,
Right there. Right
Jim,
in there. I get it. Hold on, I get it.
Ah, Jim, that is not funny. You're sleeping on the couch.
Pro marriage tip. If your wife's outside doing yard work and she wants to come in after only being out there 5 minutes, help her be more disciplined by not letting her in the door. Now, she'll be mad at first, but in the long run, she'll thank you for helping her be more disciplined. It's for your own good. In the long run, it'd be much better. She'll thank me for this later. You'll thank me later. Okay, maybe not. Pro marriage tip. If the doctor tells you you only have 6 months left to live, all you have to do is every morning ask your wife what she dreamed about and what she might think those dreams meant. Ask her every day how she feels. And every night at the end of the day, ask her how her day was. Now, this won't cure what ails you, but that 6 months will feel like an eternity. Pro marriage tip. If your wife goes to the trouble of fixing you a big meal and she asks you how you like it, there's no reason to give her any soul-crushing honesty. Just tell her you appreciate the effort and there sure is plenty of it.
You should just be glad I didn't poison it.
Well, I guess so.
What did you eat?
Pro marriage tip. If you're having a debate or a heated discussion with your wife, just simply remind her that you make more money than her and that your opinion means much more. She'll then concede her position and you'll win the argument. Pro marriage tip. If you come home and your wife doesn't have dinner ready for you, next time you give her weekly allowance, just give her half as much. Maybe she'll start trying to wife a little harder.
I make more money than you do.